I mean, girl?
She doesn't agree.
She doesn't agree?
Yes.
So,
May she just listen? Just listen?
yeah, she goes sit there and
Because
listen.
yes, she's improving.
So, if she doesn't want to improve her public speaking, that could be. I think that's a good thing for her because people need public speaking. And maybe my presentation would give you some idea about why we need public speaking.
Because now we're not confident about English speaking, so we come here and improve.
And everybody have their own strongest point. You need to figure out what is your strongest point, and forget about
Yes,
vocabulary, forget about grammar.
but I think standing there and talk about it.
I'm standing here. It's nothing different, right? So she will do that. She's just high school student, and her English is not better than you. You know what I mean? And this club is totally about public speaking. Have people stand up and give your own idea. And if you're shy, it's okay to sit there and listen. But when you listen to a presentation from a member of you, all you need to do is think about a question and ask them to answer. And the next thing is point out what is their strongest point to let them realize. And that is the only technique that help people realize who they are. You cannot know who you are unless you ask people to tell you. And I don't know, because your face looks really serious. It's supposed to be fun, huh? We're waiting for Joy because
What's his name?
he's going to leave soon.
Joy.
Joy?
J-O-H-N.
J-O-A-Y.
J-O-E-Y. Joey.
Joey. So, what's your name, girl?
So my name is
She's your co-worker?
no.
No.
It's my
Secondary school friend. It's a long time friend, huh? And I really want to point out why you need public speaking and to translate it in English is include 4 steps. May I know what is your job, girl? You working in you are hotel, right?
Yes.
Which position?
Reservation.
How are you?
We are beautiful ambassador. Beautiful ambassador.
Advisor? Beautiful advisor? So you tell people how to make the place more beautiful?
So no, in law firm, people work when they do working.
Perfume.
Yes.
So you need to convince people to buy your product?
Yes. The same in the sale.
So you need to convince people to buy your product, right?
Yes.
So I think you have and you need to have public speaking because you need to stand up in front of many people to give them your information, product information. So what makes you shy when you come to a small group?
I am
Not really shy, right?
So I think I am sales
communication is a set of skills. We cannot separate communication is a single skill. It's not a single skill. It is a set of skills. So what is your strongest skill? I mean the strongest points, strongest skill in communication set. To convince people or your voice, your tone of voice, the way that you the way that you make people believe, or your eyes contact, or your body language. So what is your strongest point? You don't know. So let us point you out what is your strongest point, so that you can spend your time to focus what you did well, what you did best, so that you can become better based on your strongest point. Everybody has different strongest points. I have nothing to say, so that's enough. No? So let's begin with my presentation first. So hi Thảo, how you doing, man?
Terrible.
Terrible?
Yeah.
Something wrong happened?
No.
It's belong to Zoe, to guys who have dinner over there. Yeah.
I mean, like, is he Vietnamese?
No.
It's not
For
easy.
Korean.
Yeah, of course. The bag is too big.
Her bag is
Too big.
The bag is too
too
big
big.
for Vietnamese man's shoulders.
And the idea of this club is for people to come here and teach.
How many times that you have to listen to that?
And don't you know why?
Many times.
No.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
So when we
You don't
Because
know.
we have
when
new
we
people
read, when we
every
learn
week,
by
so we
reading,
have to
we just observe 20%.
What happened to
When
the
we learn by hearing, we observe
What happened
the
to
knowledge
the
by
background?
40%. When we learn by seeing,
Oh, really?
we get the knowledge up to 40%. Right now. So to answer why we need to teach other people. What the hell? Hey, is that the oatmeal?
Did you say oatmeal?
Yeah.
What did you say?
Is that the good news?
Oh, good meal. I thought you said oatmeal. It was
Yeah.
good meal. Yeah. Good meal, yeah. Hi. What's your name? My name, you can call me Brian. Brian. I like that name. What's your Vietnamese name? How. How? Yeah. It's a girl's name, actually. Really? Yeah. So, how do you feel about
So,
having a girl's
I'm
name?
not saying this. This is start this.
I can see
Yeah.
anything.
I don't
So,
think we have many bullies in Vietnam, so
We can
that's
learn
a
by reading
It's
just
okay.
20%.
Yeah, that's my
For hearing is just 30%.
bullies, the
For
bullies for something
seeing
else.
just
Not the-
40%.
Oh, okay.
Say-
Okay.
For saying just 50%.
Doing
And for doing just 60%. But
So you're
the
a
most
Vietnamese?
important thing is people discover that when you combine
Since 2012.
hearing, saying, doing,
No, no, I mean,
so up to 90%. So, and we call that set of skill, we name it speech. So when you learn something and teach other people, we learn faster than normal way, I mean traditional way, 5 times faster. So for example, today I watched the video on YouTube about text video, and I know very interesting information, and I decided to learn it. So that's why I need to write down, take some notes, and stand up here, tell the other people, teach other people. So that's why I'm doing this club for people to have chance to teach other people, to learn like this.
Have you seen my camcorder?
Over there.
Oh,
It's
okay.
recording. So
Oh, really?
yeah, it's time for you, Zoe.
Oh.
Can you take some minutes to get your topic? You gonna live in yeah, just take me.
Oh.
Okay.
I wanna see
wait for your topic.
My topic.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm so excited. If you don't know my name is Joey. Joey. Yeah. You can call me Oatmeal.
What? Oatmeal?
Oatmeal is a food.
Cereal?
A cereal, a food like rice. I really like it, but they don't have a lot of it around here. But you can find it at some stores. I have been in Vietnam since 2012. So I come from the United States. Nước Mỹ. Okay, so I came because there was a girl that was teaching in Bacne at a New Star school, and she asked me to come. And she was from the Philippines, and she talked to me on Skype, and I met her online, and then so I was like, because I have wanted to travel the world since I was 8 years old. So I really wanted to travel and do a lot of things to help people and get married, have kids, make movies, be a writer, artist, inventor. I have always wanted to travel and help people since I was 8. And then I was looking for schools to teach English at in other countries, and then this girl said, come to this school, and then she told the school, and the school emailed me and told me, yeah, come. So I came to Vietnam, and so I'm still here. I'm a teacher. Giáo viên, giáo viên tiếng Anh. So I am tôi 28 tuổi. 28 years old.
Really?
Really? Now how old do I look?
No, you look younger than me.
I look younger. How old are you?
23.
Alright. Hi, Bob. Okay. Huh. Interesting. How old are you?
21.
21 years old. Okay. Hi. Okay. How old are you? Same. Okay. Is this your first time here? Have you been here before?
The
Third time. Okay. Welcome for the third time. Welcome for the third time. So, have you been to other English clubs, or you go to English centers, or
Yes.
sometimes?
I've gone to the Thanh Club, Youth and Culture House.
In District 3 or District 1
District 1.
on Wing Timmy Kai. Right?
Yeah, it's near.
Wing Timmy Kai.
Near Hong Kong Road. Hong Kong Road. You know Hong Kong Road?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
But it's
near
on.
Wing Timmy Kai.
But is it actually on Wing Timmy Kai?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I have been there, and I had to pay for parking, and
Sure.
but I didn't want to do.
Sure.
I don't like paying money, or anything. But okay. So are you in school?
No.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Now,
You work.
yes.
You're 21 and you work. Where are you in school? Where are you in college?
My college is Economics College of Economics.
And you're not going there anymore.
Yes.
So how
I
long?
finished.
So how long did you go to it? How many years?
3 years.
3 years. Okay. Okay. So it was a 3-year. Like it only took 3 years to finish, not 4.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
Because in college you just study in 3 years.
Really?
Yes.
I thought some people study for 4 years.
4
Right?
years for
In-
university.
Yeah, but
What's wrong?
see, the thing is that the difference between college and university is confusing. Because some university things. And some universities will have college things. Now, a university is a kind of college, and a college is a kind of school. So they're all related. Universities are generally longer. Normally longer, like 4 years, 6 years, 8 years, 10 years, or maybe 3 years sometimes. Sometimes people go to university less, but it's not as common with the different kind of degrees they have, and depending on the college or the university. But okay, so you say you went to college, not university, and you studied for 3 years, and what did you study?
Business education.
Okay. Now, are you a businesswoman?
No.
What are you?
I'm working as a reservation in a hotel.
Reservation. Okay, let's see, what do you call that? What do you call that? Reservation. I can't remember. I'm supposed to know, since I'm a fluent English speaker, I'm supposed to know what you call that. Do you know?
What?
So what?
The English word.
Maybe a receptionist. Are you a receptionist?
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
I tried. Okay, let's see.
Reservation is just work in a computer with a reply mail from customer.
So you're kind of like a secretary. You're kind of like an assistant. That's what assistants do. Secretaries do that. Managers do that. Even a receptionist people do that.
Yeah.
You know?
It's partly reception, partly operator, partly.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So, okay. What part of it is receptionist? The computer part, or the talking to people part?
Yes.
Talking to
when
people?
I talk and convince people to stay in a higher floor and higher category room.
Just like a receptionist. Have you not seen receptionists do the same thing?
No.
What?
I just say convince with the customer on the phone.
On the phone?
Yes, and reception in person.
Well, you see, receptionist people talk on the phone, right? You know?
No.
Yeah, no, seriously.
In
Receptionist people talk on the phone. They have phones too. Receptionist
Yes.
people have phones,
yes,
right?
Yes. But
So what is the true purpose to collect all of the information from her?
I don't know.
So what are you doing?
Right now, see, I just want to get to know her.
Okay.
No, I do this with everybody I talk to. I like to, because then I can, I don't know, help them when I get to know somebody. That's what I'm doing right now, because I don't know what else to say.
Oh, really? So,
Yeah, because I didn't prepare anything.
I think the good topic could be how important the public speaking could bring to people.
Almost as important as dancing. Dancing? See, public speaking is very important. Like I said last time. If you remember.
None of them.
Yeah, they don't remember, but I'm looking at you. But, and you were there too.
yeah.
When I was here, I talked in October 2013.
Oh my God. Yeah, sure.
Here at English Rain, we are at English Rain. I am Joey Arnold, the original Oatmeal. I should have done that at the beginning of the video, but that's okay. Oh, look, I got a phone call. And we're talking about public speaking and why it's important and how it's important. It's important if you want to communicate. But if you don't want to communicate, then it's not important. Now, if you want to communicate, you need to have confidence, and you need to be strong, and you need to believe in what you're going to say, and you need to have a purpose behind what you're saying, and you need to be calm and be patient. You want to wait and understand that things don't happen in a day. You can't make people do what you want them to do right away. Just tell people things, and they may understand what you're saying when you're speaking to people, when you're talking to people, they may understand you, they may not, but you have to wait, you have to be patient. Maybe someday they will understand what you're saying, but you have to be patient. You can't just think, they have to understand now. They have to believe me now. They have to go with me now and do this with me now and think like me and wear clothes like me and dance like me and sing like me and talk like me and think like me and all these things like that. You have to wait. You have to be calm. You have to talk slower, because if you talk too fast, maybe people won't understand you, even if they're fluent in English. Even if they're fluent in Vietnamese, whatever it is, even in Vietnamese, you could still misunderstand something, or they may misunderstand something, and it could be horrible, horrible, so horrible. We have to be more patient, but the problem is that we're always in a hurry. In life, we're so busy. Like, for example, me, I feel like I'm busy. You know, I teach English. I teach English like here and there, schools, centers, houses, cafes, parks. And when you get busy, then you may not do things right, and that could be a problem. You may lower down the quality, and that could be really bad, but you shouldn't. For example, right now it's 7:39.
Oh, well. You probably go.
Love me. I like that it says love me. Love me tonight.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.